Hmm. Didn't we have this conversation before? I'm sure we did. 100%. Yes, people, what's going on? Thank you guys so much for watching. This is your boy Rome. Welcome back to the fourth official fam. Listen, today we will be talking about Mason Gunwood. Mason, the gunman Gunwood. But first, make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe right down here if you're brand new. Yeah, change that title a little bit. I'm having a little weighted vest on. Just had a little weight on the body, so try to lose weight as much as you can. So anything you can use to lose the weight, drop it fast. Again, please remember, drop a like on the video, subscribe right down there for brand new. We're on the way to 1,000 subscribers, so please drop a like, drop a subscribe. Referee, blood whistle. Let's go. Listen, man. I know we spoke about this a couple of times, more than a couple of times, 5, 6, 7 times on this channel. But let's do it again. Let's do it again, fam. Because I told you guys, I did tell you guys, Mason Greenwood was never going to go to England after what happened in England for play for England again. I told you guys that. But what's key for me is the chance that Mason Greenwood will be playing for Jamaica because it's World Cup season, fam. 2026 is right around the blood clot corner. You know what that mean? That means that Jamaica has this perfect opportunity to make the World Cup. USA, Mexico, Canada already in the World Cup. So that leaves us 3 spots to make the World Cup for the Concacaf. Jamaica is one of the better teams in Concacaf. So, does Jamaica have a chance of making the World Cup? Absolutely. So that means that Mason Greenwood will be plying his trade at the World Cup for Jamaica. Set aside England for a second, fam. We're not busy about that at the moment. In England, he'll be playing for the World Cup. That means the world will be watching him. It no matter how much we lose, no matter how much we win. These footballers, may I look for you, I'm telling you this. These footballers dream of being the biggest stage every day. Champions League, Premier League, Italian League, Spanish League, all the big leagues, they want to be on top of us, playing for those teams. The World Cup, where the world will be watching him, 3 games in the World Cup. Those 3 games, Mason Gunwood will be running down the right flank, chipping on his left foot, tacking it in the left corner, right corner, whichever. Mason Gunwood. Listen, my man. Bring him come. Bring him forward. Hey, my tell you truth. I've been saying this since 2 years ago, since the waste man, Butler, little, puppet, come out and say, "Oh, I'm not playing for Jamaica anymore. I have my standards and they're not matching my standards. I need one man. I need me alone in my room. I don't need 3 or 4 men in my room. I need my own suite to myself. They make gonna pay me for a year now. Listen, me man. Them man who will rely upon Jamaica pay if you make a living, even though they make millions and millions of dollars at Aston Villa for go away. Right now, them for come out of a forward line because you have the Murray Grape on the right, Shamar Nicholson in the middle, and the real man, Mason Gunwood on the right. That's it. The man for come out of a forward line, going on a bench. One would argue that he's moving up on the team, but the conversation for another day. Yeah? But Mason Greenwood. No, it's not. It hasn't confirmed it. We haven't seen him with the passport. We haven't seen him on the camp yet. And it comes up in February. We'll be playing football. So we'll see in a couple of days if and when Jamaica make that first call up for him. However, fam, if reports are true, that means that Mason Greenwood has finally signed on the dotted line for Jamaica. Concacaf no good again. Concacaf, not good again. Fam, I've been watching him since in my 16, 17 at Manchester United now. Every game, you know. Go Gatafe, every game, you know. Marseille, every game, you know. Yo, none of you guys in this Jamaica YouTube space can tell me anything about Mr. Greenwood. Because I've been watching him ever since he was a junior at Manchester United. Me have been Manchester United app on my phone and on my TV. Every youth game I am watching them. Every youth game under 18, under 21, senior team. Every youth game. So you can't tell me nothing about Manchester United, nothing about Bombard, Mason Gunwood. And when that man come in on the team, it's a different level Jamaica jump to. Jamaica jump into a different level when him coming on the team. Yeah, it might be difficult playing in different fields, different atmosphere, yada yada yada. But remember when me tell you, Mason Gunwood is going to elevate Jamaica's football. Elevate. What I'm saying, what do? Elevate Jamaica's football. So people, make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe, right down there for brand new. Bless up yourself, bless up others. Manaz.